Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to guide you through the simple steps to view your block list on WhatsApp. Knowing who you've blocked can help manage your conversations better, and we've got the updated method right here. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you've done that, look to the top right corner of your screen for 3 little dots. Go ahead and tap on those. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu. Here, you want to tap on Settings. This is where all the essential options for managing your WhatsApp account reside. After you've accessed Settings, look for the Privacy option and give that a tap as well. This section controls who can see your information, your last seen status, and of course your blocked contacts. Finally, to see the complete list of contacts you've blocked, you'll want to tap on Blocked Contacts. This will pull up a list of everyone you've chosen to block. Now you can easily see and manage those contacts. By following these steps, you can easily keep track of your block list on WhatsApp. It's a straightforward process that allows you better control over your messaging experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.